Hi, my name is Sam Teltock, and I live in Eastvale, California. That's in Southern California. My family, it consists of my wife and I and our six kids. I have five girls and one boy. See here. I can't think of anything that's interesting about where I live, but maybe I'll think of something later. I don't know. What I did this summer, mostly just worked, but we did do a couple of trips with some friends, had a family reunion in St. George, Utah. We got together with a bunch of my cousins, which was a lot of fun. Went to Zion National Park, which was first time I've ever been. Enjoyed it a lot. I think what's going to excite me most about this course is going to be some of the things I'll learn about the different back end things that I can do with websites and stuff like that. Been kind of eager to get to this class. Had to jump through a bunch of the prerequisites, so I'm pretty excited about it. Right now, I think the actual development side is probably my strengths. I'm not really big on some of the design things. So that's where I get kind of excited, but sitting down trying to make things look right or look a particular way, it's not really my temperament. But sitting down and figuring out how to make something work, that sounds just fine by me. It's a lot of fun. So look forward to getting to know everyone else in the class.